Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to discuss about three array problems in leetcode. So first one is to reverse an integer, second is to find the length of the last word of a string, and the third is to find the best time to buy and sell stocks. So the first problem is to reverse an integer. So we are given an integer of value 1, 2, 3, 4. We have to reverse it to 4, 3, 2, 1. So how do we solve that? So first of all, we have to declare an integer variable reverse, which is assigned to a value of 0. And we are creating a loop. That is, the loop starts from, the loop continues till x reaches 0. And we are using this formula to calculate the reverse. So in the first iteration, our reverse is 0. So it will be 0 plus 4. That is x percentage 10. X percentage 10 means the modulus. So if you divide 1, 2, 3, 4 by 10, you will get 4 as the remainder. So in the first iteration, reverse is 4. In the second iteration, we are multiplying this 4 by 10, and the x, that is x becomes x will be divided by 10. So in the second iteration, the x value is 1, 2, 3. So here the x value will be 3. I mean x percentage, remainder will be 3. So it will be 43. In the third iteration, again it will be 43 by multiplied by 10. That is 430 plus 2, 432. Like that, we will be able to reverse the number. So this is how it is written programmatically. It is the same way as I have explained. So yeah, here I have declared the integer variable as 0, and while the x is we are declaring a while loop, and the loop ends when x reaches 0, and we are calculating the value of reverse, and each time the x is divided by 10, and we are returning this reverse value. The second problem which we are going to discuss is to find the length of the last word. Suppose we have a string containing some words, and we have to return the length of the last word in that string. So how do we do that? We will declare a string array, that is of words. This is how you will be declaring it. And what we are going to do is, we are going to split this, we are going to populate this array by splitting the string using the split method, and we are splitting by space, so that whenever a space is encountered in the string, it will be splitted, and that word will be added into the words array. And finally, we will be able to find the last word length, that is the words dot length minus 1, that is the last word, and we are going to find the length of that word. So this is a very simple solution, and it has only 2 lines. So this is how it is written. So suppose if our string is hello world, and the length of the last word is 5. So what we are doing here is, we are declaring a string array words, and we are splitting this hello world with space. So now in our words array, there will be 2 words, hello and words. So hello, the position is 0, and words, the position is 1. So which is the last word here? That is the word in the position 1, that is world. So we get that here. And finally, we are going to find the length of that is words of 1. So it will be 5. The final problem which we are going to solve is to find the best time to buy and sell stocks. So here we are given an array prices where the price of I is the price of a given stock on a particular day. What we have to do is we have to maximize the profit by choosing a single day to buy the stock and choosing a different day to buy the to sell the stock. So when we are buying, the price of the stock should be very low, and when we are selling, the price of the stock should be high. So we have to find the highest and the lowest elements in an array. That is what we are going to do here. And always we should remember that we have to always buy before we sell it. So how are we going to do that? So we will declare two variables as price of 0 and max profit. So there will be two variables, buy, which is assigned the price of, that is the first value. So buy will be 7 now, and max profit value will be 0. Now we have to iterate from 0 to the length of the array. So this array will iterate around 6 times from 0 to 5. And if the prices of I is less than buy, so in the first prices of I is not less than buy, it is equal, right? So this will pass. And if the max profit is less than prices of I minus buy, so the max profit value is 0. So now let us go to the second element in the array. Here the prices of I, that is 1. It is less than 7. So now the buy variable will be assigned the value of 1. Now we are again checking the max profit. Now the max profit is 0. 0 is less than 1. No, 0 is max profit value is 0. Prices of I is 1 and buy value is, so this is passing. So like that, if we iterate, what will happen is the buy value will be 1 because that is the lowest, and the prices of I, that will be 6. So at that time we will calculate the value of the max profit. So this is how it is programmatically solved. It is the same way which I have explained using the slide.